Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix not showing in list of available network on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Let's fix this guys. Go to search menu and type settings. In settings, go to settings. Go to network and internet. Go to advanced network internet setting. Scroll down guys, network reset all internet adapters to factory settings. This will remove the and reinstall all your internet network adapters and set other networking component back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other network software afterwards, such a VPN client of software or virtual switches. Click restart now, and or if you want to reset your internet setting, click yes guys. Windows will shut down in 5 minutes. Okay guys, I need to restart our PC. That's it for today's video guys. Hope this tutorial worked for you. Thanks for watching my video. Give me a thumbs up. Thank you guys.